What makes UNE's medical biology program so special is the fact that our undergraduate college is relatively small, yet we have affiliated UNE graduate programs in just about any health profession you can imagine.
One of the strengths of UNE's medical biology program is the opportunity for students to do real-world research alongside faculty members from the biology department, from the medical school, and alongside medical students.
It's strongly encouraged that the pre-med students get involved in research. The professors love having the students, and they're really welcoming.
What I liked about UNE is that for a smaller school, it had a lot of research opportunity. So in addition to undergraduate professors taking undergraduate students, there are some medical school professors that also hire undergraduate students, which I thought was very cool as well. So there's a lot of opportunity for research for any students and to be really, really involved.
In our medical biology program, students will go to med school, dental school, pre-PA, we have students in pharmacy, athletic training, exercise science, dental hygiene. Students in this class, they come from a whole mix of backgrounds, but what's in common is that they get hands-on training, they get small classes, the ability to pursue their dreams, really.
And I often have students actually write back to me later and say how well prepared they felt in medical school or whatever, PA school, wherever they are, and they say, I'm so glad you taught us about the immune system, I'm so glad you taught us about this, it's really coming in handy. They do feel really well prepared by our program, which is something we're proud of.
They are very big on, hey, we're gonna tell you how to do this, but then we're also going to show you. And you're going to get your hands in there, you're going to get your hands dirty, because a lot of our students learn best by doing things.
Everyone's very, very supportive. There's not a cutthroat culture at all. It's very sharing, very supportive, and I think that's why we see so many successful students go out to UNE, into medical school, dental school, PA school.
I really hope that my students in the future have learned not only the material, the content, the biological processes, but also how to ask questions that are important to ask. They really become critical thinkers and are able to go out into the world and become lifelong learners and lifelong question askers.